and gentlemen, now welcome on top of the late night show. Thank you very much. And as it be like this now, they welcome all of you to come to the show. Of course, in the late night show. We can't shout too much. As usual, your boy O to the G, the B, the O, the L, the O, the R. Ogbolor, baby.
Ogbolor. Ogbolor.
Why you put it? Why other extra part?
You feel like now?
You're a bad guy now. You're a bad guy. On the wheels of steel, DJ Izy wins.
It's Mr. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Izy Beat.
I have one word to say, just one word. I shall. Anyway, how now they go? Hope everybody did very, very all right. At the late night show, we are here again. We are here again. We are here again, my people. We are here again. The late night show is here again. You're supposed to carry on from there now. You know, go church.
You gotta say,
Hey. Under the canopy, hey! Under the canopy of God, chai! Why did you put that chai? What's in the chai?
No, that have the chanting.
The chanting?
Yeah,
the
ginger.
chai.
You're not gonna know, you're the ginger.
The chai, and the chanting. Chanting. The chai. We need to get another kind of chant. Not necessarily chai. Hey! Spell hey. Spell out. Try spell out. Just try spell out.
Hey. H-E-Y-Y. Just add the Y as much as
Now, hey, you know, hey.
No, not you say hey, now hey. You go add many
hey.
Y. Add many Y to it.
No be H-E-H.
H-E-H. No, hey.
You are stupid. Anyway, now welcome on top of the show. We get some very, very strong, talented individuals in the building that will join us on top of the show today. I'm not going to mention their name. All right, back to back things. Make sure everybody did very, very all right before they sleep this night, okay? So, Izy Beat.
Yes.
Our pose.
Let's do this.
Our pose. All right? So, like I tell you now before, we'll do our best possible to make sure, say, this industry will die there. Presenting, comedy, music, modeling. Now that one they pursue now. We they model anything. Izy Beat now, feel model for mosquito coil. Me, I the model for brands like telecommunication companies and everything. You understand? So we don't know where to start from. So Izy Beat. Let's go there, baby. I call you baby. I love you.
Are you going to be able to model for mosquito coil?
Yeah. Do you want to pose, Abi?
Do you
want to do the... Now, because you stand for that, but you know if you express yourself so much.
Yeah.
You understand?
If I come out, I go see that. Don't worry.
Forget it. They model panded yam. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, when they come back now, the show don't start, okay? Now, the late night show. Tell person, say we're not there yet. All right? Not going nowhere. Izy Beat, can I come up? We'll come back to Koko of the day. Now, Koko number one.
Bang on.
You know, I like the fact that you still do that thing, even though I know to use energy. You understand? Do the whole thing. So, yes. Koko number one.
Bang on.
Now, yesterday we talked about the story of police people doing drag normal civilian for ground, based on the fact that the civilian do anyhow. Abi?
Yeah.
And so where they drag and say make them emulate the foreign ones.
Okay.
They try.
So
they arrest in a responsible way.
Okay.
Please drop your gun. Relate.
Talk to them.
Now, today, now, LASTMA, I can't do it own. We get the picture for you. LASTMA official now. Now catch police.
LASTMA official catch police.
Now catch police. Say nobody is above the law.
Okay.
If you misbehave, we catch you
collect.
And we put you on top of the whole level. Sharply. So LASTMA now bad police. The police now, black they no park where? they go follow one way. I know the police they do this thing well. Instead when they follow normal route, they form I can follow one way.
We have sirens.
We have siren. We can blow around the area and just disturb the environment. So now, LASTMA catch and say, Mona Park. Now they do anyhow now. Blue uniform they all give now.
Pull over.
Now they do anyhow. If it be beef, you say LASTMA they don't change their uniform.
Yes, now.
But police now they wear blue.
But uniform only for Lagos.
Uniform plenty. Uniform plenty. But before I digress, go uniform way plenty. LASTMA now, I'm happy. I'm happy for this one thing because oftentimes when I drive sometimes, I just see police, they come the other way. If they do me like, they make I all come, they all slap one. Say, una way suppose they protect the law.
And they break out.
They break the law. Now, who they to catch you now? Today, ladies and gentlemen, LASTMA don't catch police. Applause. Yes. I'm very happy.
Oh, yes.
I feel elated.
Oh, yes.
I feel very, very joyous. I'm just happy.
Maybe police will see you later in the day.
Police? They're my friends.
Okay.
No, may they do the right thing. Sergeant Okonkwo, one of my guy.
Okay.
My guy. Even the one waiting for Sholoki police station for Aguda, Surulere. Then my guy is there. At the hello now. But when I do the right thing, no follow one way. They say they want to go catch thief. Which thief? Now they arrive like 2 years late.
They didn't hurry to go catch thief.
You get it?
Story.
And that thief don't move to see. They call show. Who did that? We don't get bullet shot. But anyway, I beg. But anyway, LASTMA don't do their work. They don't show us that nobody's above the law. And top the whole level like this. Then do justice to what they're supposed to do. Izy Beat, one more time, applause for them. LASTMA. Very try. So at this point, Koko number 2.
I'm in love with the koko.
When I sing songs like this, who be that?
MJ now.
MJ.
Yes, sir.
Wait, which MJ now? Because me now, I be MJ. Me and my twin sister will be Michael and Joyce.
Okay.
They call us MJ sometimes. So which MJ they talk?
You know MJ. That one, oh, your MJ now the long run. We know MJ, Michael Jackson. We know.
See, now so, see, Mary J. Blige, na MJ. Which other MJ they again? Michael Jordan, na MJ.
Yeah.
Which MJ?
They joke on MJ.
You did. Which MJ?
No, we know the official MJ. Every other MJ now just man, not use that word.
This one they talk now, now just general statement. Talk now, you know how.
Michael Jackson now.
Hey, finish.
No.
No, it be like Nigerian. Okay, it be
Michael
Nigerian.
Jackson.
Okay, so Mickey J.
Okay.
Michael Jackson.
Oh yeah.
Michael Jackson, Papa. I don't know. 87 years old.
87.
87 years
But
old.
yeah, don't try yo.
Pale, no, don't try now. You know, so I ain't whip Jackson enter who he be where he can't die. That's a summary of the entire lifespan of Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Whip and where he can't die. Now, Mickey J. Popsy, Joe Jackson, that be name. Recently, he just waka, you know, he may go groove. Now they spot him. This guy go take Viagra. You know Viagra? You know Viagra? You look like who's Gusabia.
Sabi Viagra.
See Jackson Papa now. Center of 2 hot chicks. 2 hot chicks. He go take Viagra. Along the line, now the guy suffer stroke. Heart attack, hold up. At 87. He still want to do what 25 years old boy they do.
I'll kill them.
I go kill them. I'm the Superman. What's my name? I'm the baddest. Now heart attack hold am. Now they don't kind of go. They kind of go emergency, do different things. But what thing would they make 87 years old man still they want the form? I can groove the world. Izy Beat, please can you answer for me?
I don't know. I think everybody gets their own opinion about say they won't catch fun and stuff. So I seen this, you know, all this whitey mentality.
What I mean white now? I'm full black man now.
For black man, where in day?
Now that side, sha.
So all these kinds, they go on do your right. They go on go crazy. They go on tie their hand, do 20 shades of grey, 50 shades of grey.
Everybody now agree now.
You go shock you.
Oh man, agree now.
I tell you.
Whole chandelier, whole
barbed wire,
whole cellophane,
Oh, yeah.
do Spider-Man this thing, do like this. You will die. You just die. You kill yourself. New one here. Electric shock. As now the groove. Now the shock on yourself electric. What they worry people for this one?
I don't just understand.
When they worry
They
people
say
for
na
this-
fun. I don't understand.
That's what they do one day. We just extinct.
Yes, sir.
We just open eyes, say human beings don't reduce.
Yes.
Because some people don't kill some people.
Yes, now you're carrying
Based on say
carrying
flange
carrying yeah, shoot me.
and I trick me. I say, wow, it's interesting. You understand? You're carrying I trick the person. Cha, wow, I can feel the pain. Wow, the blood. Oh, your blood is salty. anyways, Jackson Popsy, Joe Jackson, they hospital now. Yeah, he go take Viagra because he say he won't perform.
But some people don't know who Viagra be.
Viagra na be like Brantashi.
Hmm?
You know Brantashi?
No.
Why they do face like say you don't know this thing?
No, the way they talk, I mean,
you are a
okay,
Christian.
okay,
Not a lie, you go to hellfire.
I tell you, say I know what is Viagra, bro. What be Brata?
Okay, Brantashi now the local Viagra.
Okay.
It be like twin stick. If you shop am,
You be there.
it be like, if you shop am, your life will never remain the same. And no, as that for that why I be, I'm very, very knowledgeable in these different areas. You understand?
Okay.
Brantashi, if
So you do yours. I bet you don't chop at that.
no now just like say that twin stick. If you chop Brantashi, you not gonna get availability
Okay.
to help you calm down.
Help your situation.
You don't finish. You don't finish. Now I do am now. You don't go
Okay.
chop Viagra.
Okay.
Be like say no can see where to. And based on the age,
Okay.
you think
they
worry
don't
am.
clash.
Heart attack on hold am. 3 different times now. Suffer stroke after this. Like, 3 different times. I didn't hold am. The guy look and say, pay us our money, please. Pay us our money.
Stop pretending.
Stop pretending. You're pretending, please. You are Jackson's father. You're Michael Jackson's dad. Hello, please pay us the money quickly. But anyways, well, Izy Beat, please never in your life, no ever try Brantashi, no try Viagra. Exercise, okay? Eat good food, and you'll be able to go the length, okay? This is not advice from brother to brother.
Oh yeah.
You understand me now? I know you're these Benin boys, now they do different things. You understand? So ladies and gentlemen, now there will finish every on top Koko of the day. Any gist you get, give us your own Viagra or Brantashi experience on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, just give us your own experience and then we'll know every, okay? Don't go anywhere, they come with our first guest, Shady XL. If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.